In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your Klaviyo on Shopify. To begin, open your Shopify admin dashboard. This is the main control panel for your store, where you manage your theme and settings. Once you are in the admin, look to the left sidebar and click Online Store. This area controls what customers see on your storefront. From Online Store, select Themes from the drop-down. You should now see your current published theme at the top. On that theme card, click the Customize button. This opens the theme editor, which is where you can enable app features that work directly on your storefront. Inside the theme editor, look at the left-hand vertical toolbar. Click the App Embeds icon. App Embeds are small switches that let apps add scripts or features to your site without you needing to edit code. This is the safest and most reliable place to enable on-site tracking features. In the App Embeds list, find the toggle labeled Klaviyo On-Site JavaScript. This setting allows Klaviyo to load its on-site script on your storefront, which is commonly used for tracking and on-site features. Switch that toggle to on. After you turn it on, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Save. Saving is important because the embed will not go live until you save the theme changes. Now that Shopify is set up, open your Klaviyo dashboard in a new browser tab. Keeping Shopify open in the first tab can be helpful in case you need to double-check the toggle or save again. In Klaviyo, go to the bottom left corner and click your account name. A small menu will appear. From that menu, select Settings. This is where Klaviyo stores configuration options for your account. Within Settings, click the Data Tracking tab. This section is where you manage tracking-related settings and confirm that Klaviyo is prepared to collect on-site activity from your store. Once you are on the Data Tracking tab, you have completed the connection steps covered in this walkthrough. That covers everything you need to know.